Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Melanie, or She Should Scrapper, back with a special unboxing for the Scrap Room. So I was so excited to be approached to do this unboxing. I just absolutely love unboxing videos, and this seemed like such a fun project. So this is a limited edition or limited supply Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage Believe Snap Binder class that will be in the shop. So I have everything here that you will receive. You will also get the PDF instructions. It is $59 plus shipping, but if you are a subscriber, you can add it to your monthly kits with no additional shipping charge. Like I mentioned, that is limited supply, so when they're gone, they're gone. So you will want to get your hands on this for sure. I looked at the PDF and looks very simple to follow the instructions. And I want to say there's 50 plus pages. So $59 for 50 plus pages is a steal. So let's get started. So you will first get the limited edition cedar 6x8 snap binder. So it's a 2D ring binder, and then there's a whole bunch of pages in here. So you will get the actual binder. I love the color of this wood grain. I think it's great and such a fun Christmas, I guess, wood grain too. So you can kind of get the idea for at least the cover here, and just think it is adorable. So again, this is using the Simple Story, Simple Vintage Believe collection. Next, you will get the number bits. So you will get, all of the number bits and then the greenery that goes with it. You will get the bits and pieces. And I think these are great. I love, there's a title there. There's the phrases, some little stamps, snowmen and Santa, the Christmas trees. I think it's beautiful. I love the colors too. I am such a traditional Christmas color scrapbooker, so these are right up my alley. Decorative brads, which I am loving these days. I love that they're stickers and not actual brads. Plus you get some chipboard, which is always fun. So that chipboard is usually different than what you would get on the chipboard sticker sheet. You will get two 3x4, let me see, where is it? Photo flips is what they're called. So you will get two of these. This is fun. You get half of the 6x8 paper pad. So I will kind of do a flip through. What I love about the paper pads are that, there's extra cut aparts, but the patterns are on a smaller scale. So for something like a mini album, the smaller scale patterns are really great. You get kind of, more on that little sheet. I'm loving these ticket sheets in the Simple Stories vintage collections. I think those are really fun. So really great papers in the 6x8 papers. This is new to me. I have not done I have not done very many mini albums. So this was really fun to look at. These are the binder inserts. So you will also get these. So look at how beautiful these are. And they're already punched for you, already done for you. I just thought, oh, what fun. That one's really cute. I don't know that I looked at the back of that one. You get the Santa with the doily on the back or behind it. The calendar. Like, these are just really, really fun to, be included with this, because it's going to make it even easier to create. This one's a pocket, which is fun. So there are those. You get all of these. And then we will go through the papers that you will receive. So you will get this candy cane gingham, which obviously is the red gingham with the kind of tone-on-tone distressed polka dot paper. You will get the evergreen gingham, goodness gracious. And then the same kind of background. You can kind of see the polka dots and the distressed look a little bit better on that one than the red. Do You Believe is this paper. So really pretty. And I'm almost wondering if we don't cut this one down and add that to the cover. But if I remember correctly, that same Santa was in the 6x8. So, oh, maybe a little bit different. So I'm thinking this Santa here is going to be your cover sheet, which I think is a fun way to use a paper like this. I struggle sometimes when I'm doing 12x12 scrapbooking, so that's a great way to use this beautiful paper. And then the back is kind of the plaid there. 3x4 elements. So obviously the 3x4 elements, which are always great to have for a mini album. And then kind of a, I don't know, dark green kind of scene paper. There's a Santa, the sleigh. It almost looks like a pond. Yeah, ice skating. Ice skating, so kind of a scene paper. 4x6 elements with the floral paper. And then the 4x6 elements. And then when I looked at the PDF, there is a complete cutting guide too. So really you have the cutting guide, which will make it easy to cut all of the pattern papers, and then step-by-step instructions to put, like I said, 50+ pages together. So definitely grab this if you are interested before they are all gone. $59 plus shipping, unless you are a subscriber, and then you can add it to the monthly kit or whatever for no additional shipping costs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I cannot wait to get started with this mini album. It is gorgeous, and I love a good kind of class, I guess, just to follow along with and put together, get some more ideas for other projects too. This is just a really fun class or kit. So hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.